Hello everyone and welcome to this Binance tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Binance. Since there's multiple ways of doing this, I will put all the important timestamps in the description down below. So let's get right into it. How to withdraw cryptocurrency to another exchange or hardware wallet. So if you want to withdraw cryptocurrency to another exchange or hardware wallet, the first thing you need to do is to go over to Wallet and select Fiat and Spot. As you can see, it says withdrawal and deposits right below. On this page, you will see all your fiat and cryptocurrencies. In the top right on this page, you will see a button called withdrawal. So you need to click on it. Now you will see a menu looking similar to this one. The first thing you need to do is to select the coin you want to transfer. To select the coin, click on this arrow. Now this coin selector will pop up. Right here, you can scroll through your holdings. Of course, you could also use the search bar. For this example, I will go with Algo. Below select coin, there is an option named withdrawal to. Here you need to fill in the address you want to send your coin to. If you don't know the address of the exchange you want to transfer your crypto to, I will show you how to find it right now. Step 1 is to go over to the other exchange and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to look for a button called deposit. If you can't find the deposit button, you could Google how to find an address on and then the name of the exchange you're using. Let's say I want to transfer my algo from Binance to Gate.io. I will go over to Wallet and click on Deposit. Pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you now. It is really important that you select the address of the coin you are transferring. If I, for example, send my coins to the address of USDT instead of my algo address, I will lose all the funds I'm transferring. So once you have selected the right coin, click on Copy. Now go back to Binance and paste it in. Once you have copy-pasted your address in, the next thing you need to do is to select the network you want to use for your transaction. If you don't know which network supports the coin you are transferring, you could do a quick Google search. Or you could trade your holdings into Algo. By doing so, you will pay a way less transaction fee. Also, the corresponding withdrawal network will instantly be selected. Once your Algo arrived, you can trade your Algo back into the cryptocurrency you originally wanted to transfer. So, no matter which currency you are transferring, you now need to fill in the amount of coins you want to transfer. Once you have filled in everything, click on the withdrawal button. There will be a pop-up looking similar to this one. Read through all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. If you double checked all the information, click on continue. The last thing you need to do is to go through the verification process. So just fill in whatever Binance asks you to and click on submit. How to transfer cryptocurrency into fiat. There's multiple ways to transfer your cryptocurrency into fiat. The first way you could sell your crypto into fiat is by going over to the trade section right here. Then click on convert. At From, select the cryptocurrency you want to trade into something else. At To, select the cryptocurrency or fiat you want to retrieve. So let's say I want to convert Algo to USDT. At From, I will select Algo, and at To, I will select USDT. Then you need to decide the amount of coins you want to convert. Now click on Preview Conversion. Your conversion will automatically be completed, but I don't want to convert my coins right now, so I'm gonna click on Back. Unfortunately, some coins are not supported by this converter. If you can't find your coin in here, you need to go over to Markets, then select Fiat Markets and type in the ticker symbol of your coin. For example, let's say Algo is not available in the converter. I would search for Algo over here. Now you can choose between those three pairs. Algo USDT, Algo BUSD and Algo TUSD. But I would like to transfer my Algo into Euro. So first I will go and click on the Algo/USDT pair. I'm actually not planning on selling any cryptocurrencies as of right now, so I won't actually be selling my crypto. Once you have sold your coin for USDT, you need to go back over to Markets and again go over to Fiat Markets. Then search for your local currency and after your local currency type USDT or whatever currency you just sold your crypto for. Then click on your pair. On this page you can buy your local currency with USDT. I recommend you use a market order since that way your order will instantly come through while you will still get the best deal available at the time. So next up is how to withdraw fiat into your bank account. To withdraw fiat into your bank account, go over to Wallet and click on Fiat and Spot. Just like last time, click on Withdrawal. If you are not getting sent to the Withdrawal Fiat page immediately, just go over to the top right and click on Withdrawal Fiat. All you need to do is to go over to Currency and select the currency you want to deposit into your bank account. Every country has various methods available, so you should decide which one fits your withdrawal best. So now that you have selected your withdrawal method, you need to fill in the amount of coins you want to transfer. Then click on Continue. Right here you need to fill in your bank details. If you don't know which bank account is linked to your Binance, just look at the name that's automatically filled in. Then click on Confirm Withdrawal. I hope this video was helpful. If so, consider liking this video or leaving me a comment. Of course, you could also subscribe to my channel for more Binance tutorials.